Namaskarams. I am Kesav Murthy from Coimbatore. I am an HR consultant and an educational consultant. In this short video, we look at International Youth Day. August 12th is celebrated as International Youth Day by United Nations. In the year 1999, United Nations General Body Council declared August 12th as International Youth Day. This is mainly to recognize the contribution of youth to the development of youth and to the development of the society as a whole. United Nations recognizes that youth has the power and the wealth to contribute to the entire social enhancement of the globe. So in this context, every year on August 12th, they celebrate this Youth Day. So this year, they have celebrated because of the COVID pandemic through podcast type. They had youth groups and discussions at three different levels. One is the local community level, second is the national level, and third is at global level. Now let us look at what is so special about youth. Everywhere youth is liked, everywhere youth is preferred. You go to a job market, they want young people. So we can look at the special characteristics of youth. Youth is active, they are energetic, they can work for long hours, they are very creative, they are very innovative, they come up with out-of-box solutions for various problems, they are very smart, they know how to work out any task smartly with less resources. And they are very open-minded. They are willing to connect with any type of people, irrespective of caste, color, creed. And then they try to work as a team in arriving at a solution for any social problem. So they are very intelligent. And most of the youth are educated and they are very good in handling technology, in maneuvering technology. That really made the connectedness is a very valid tool to solve many of the problems. So this year, United Nations had identified 5 social influences which have an impact on youth and as a society as a whole. One is the media, the influence of media on the youth, the influence of media on the society as a whole. Second is the new technology, new modern technological devices. Third is the punishment or the lack of punishment. Fourth is poverty among youth or in the society as a whole. And fifth is diverses. So youth all over the world are suggested to work on these 5 influences and then come up with their ideas and solutions to solve the problems or issues related to these 5 influences. In fact, United Nations have volunteer groups all over the world, and these volunteer groups work as a team. They come up with their advices and suggestions which are sent to United Nations, and United Nations take these inputs from various youth groups and then they incorporate in their papers or in their policies. So this has been happening every year, and this year also these 5 influences are taken into account. In India, we have 2 youth days. One is International Youth Day on August 12th, and we have one National Youth Day on January 12th. Basically, that is birthday of Swami Vivekananda. So India has a very key role in development of the globe because we have a huge youth population, and the entire world looks at India as a problem solver or the ability to solve many of the social issues. So in that context, the Indian youth have a very major role to play to solve many of the urging issues in the global level. I hope our youth will take this opportunity and make a mark in the society in the years to come. Hope this video is useful and informative to all of you. If you like this video, you share it and then you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have many such videos related to education, job, self-development in our YouTube channel, and you can subscribe and get notifications on these videos. Thank you.